Hi, my name is Thomas O'Malley. I'm an experienced family lawyer in Durham Region and the GTA. Can you guess what could happen if you have to pay spousal support, but your spouse is not earning enough money when they could earn more money in a job? This is the story of what happened to Antonio and Marta. They were married for 27 years when they separated. They have two grown children, a 31-year-old son and a 24-year-old daughter. During the marriage, Marta stayed at home and cared for the children and the home. One thing you can learn from the situation of Antonio and Marta is, but before I explain what you can learn, let me clearly point out that a spouse has an obligation to pay spousal support when the parties have been married for a number of years and there's a big difference in income between the parties or the spouses. In fact, a spouse cannot intentionally underemploy themselves for the purpose of figuring out their income. That simply means that a spouse cannot purposely make less money when they could earn more money in their job, or they are capable of earning more money at a better job. A spouse also cannot be working at all and earning no money when they're quite capable of working in the first place. In this situation, the spouse is intentionally unemployed. Ontario Family Court will impute or attribute a certain level of income to a spouse when they are intentionally underemployed or they decided not to work at all when they can work. However, one exception to this principle is when a spouse is intentionally underemployed or not working as a result of legitimate health needs. What spouses can learn from the separation of Antonio and Marta is that a spouse who is entitled to spousal support must take reasonable actions to work at a reasonable level of income given their skills and capabilities. If they don't take these reasonable actions, they could easily find that their spousal support is a lower amount than it might otherwise be. In Marta's situation, the family court found that she did not have to work at this point in time as a result of her health conditions. However, Marta was not following her doctor's advice on medical treatment. The court did not find that reasonable at all. The court explained that failing to pursue many of the available treatment options has essentially guaranteed that Marta is at present unable to pursue any employment, planning, or training for work. In this situation, the court awarded Marta spousal support on the lower end of the range since she was not pursuing reasonable medical treatment options, which could lead to employment for her. Make sure you spend some time with your family lawyer discussing this important issue in your separation or divorce. If you have any questions about your separation, divorce, or family law case, and you'd like our help, there's a few ways to contact our office. You can leave a message on my Facebook Law Office page, visit my website at www.canadiandivorcelegalaladvice.com, or call me directly at 905-434-8837. We'd be happy to speak to you. And by the way, did you know you could protect your family law rights and get essential information on settling your family law issues with your former spouse with the daily, indispensable family law advice and tips on my free Facebook group? Go to Facebook and search Durham Region Separation and Divorce Legal Support Group in the top search bar. You'll find the group and join. Thanks for watching this video, and have a great week.